This is الدرس الخامس عشر, lesson 15 of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt, the connectors. And we're looking at drill 3. And remember that Kitab Adawat al-Rabt is focusing on the connectors that connect parts or phrases of a sentence together. And in this drill, you're going to connect words together to create a meaningful sentence. In lesson 15, we are reviewing lessons 11 through 14. So you're going to use some of the connectors in each of those lessons here. I'm going to give you an English translation of what the Arabic would be, but you're going to organize the words into an Arabic sentence. In number 1, we have, he knew that she did not love him, and so he distanced himself from her. Number 2, we have books became widespread because of the ease of printing. ثلاثة, here we have I will not go to the cinema because I am busy. In number 4, here, this one is a little bit more complicated than the others. However, we can say here that the beautiful valleys in Lebanon are where Jubran was raised. Number 5, he excused himself from the lecture due to his illness. In number 6, we have he defeated them because he was the strongest of the players. Number 7, I will seek an interview with the manager or with the supervisor in order to explain to him the issue or the topic. Number 8, ثمانية, he did not study well, and as a result of that, he failed in the exam. Number 9, they appointed him head of the newspaper, of the editorial of the newspaper, due to his journalistic experience. Number 10, he failed in his business, and because of that, he decided to emigrate. Number 11, the company increased the production of the company increased as a result, or thanks to the good management. Thanks to good management. Number 12, I worked in teaching, or I worked as a teacher, which was, or because this was my preferred profession. So hopefully that helps you to place these in the correct order and make please take account of the way that each of these connectors is used in each sentence. مع السلامة.